Hi YouTube, welcome to Wes just been sent one of Gav's boxes. It's the 7-lever Lowe Fletcher. Jason J or XB Mods sent it to me, and here's the tool that Gav made for Gordon W. It's made out of a Peterson something. Just a wire now. So I thought, let's have a go, see if we can get into it. I've never picked a Lowe Fletcher before, so how easy it is I don't know. Just get that in there right. Okay, can you see me alright? I think so. I've heard they're not hard to pick, but like Gav said, they're different. So it's always nice to pick something a bit different. There you go, and we're in. Ooh, what have we got inside here? Let's get the tool out a minute. Okay, so what has Jason sent me? He sent me an XB Mods Locksport sticker and a rim cylinder. I'm not sure if it's a challenge lock or not. Doesn't appear to be a key. Oh, a couple of keys. Right, so what's that? That's a BKS. So I'm going to stand up. So we've got a BKS, quite nasty bitting. And then, well, I guess then, it's got a Schlage key. Whether it's a Schlage cylinder, I don't know. But anyway, that was Gav's Lowe Fletcher 7-lever lockbox, and hope you enjoyed that. Something very different. Thank you very much.